Eternal afternoons, lying there and listening. We're making plans for someone else to come. How much freedom we got left? Just enough to grab a coffee right in the square. Suddenly bells go clang, sweat scared in a taxi cab. Then the quiet urge I'm not enough, and I am waiting for some sign for the man I am will change before it's light. There's gonna be miracles tonight. She makes a sound like I never heard. It's a cry that says ain't I better watch out. She makes a sound bright and clear. Oh, the way that pain kiss away that fear. Shuddering in my arms, first thing that I've ever seen. And every move you make, you've never made. But only if I hold you tight will you understand the chaos has in it. Stumbling through that door, somebody wrapped up the rules. All the paper cups and paperbacks, they bow their heads to hear that sound. They know they got a new place right in this life. Never thought it would be so right. She makes a sound like I never heard. It's a cry that says ain't I better watch our world. She makes a sound in a bright and clear. Oh, the way that pain gets away that fear. She makes a sound like I never heard. It's a cry that says ain't I better watch our world. She makes a sound bright and clear. Oh, the way that pain, way that fear. Now is the best of times, little dictionary girl. Every moment's like a harvesting, but autumn just can't seem to end. The universe contracts into her smile, and she sings to me a while, and she makes a sound like I never heard. And she makes a sound like I've never heard. And she makes a sound like I've never heard. And she makes a sound on the way that pain gets away that fear. Better watch out, world. You better watch out. You better watch out. You better watch out, world. Here she comes. Here he comes. Here they come. You better watch out, world. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You hear him before you go to sleep. Focus on the day that's been. You realize he's there when you turn the light off and turn over. Do not be worried about your man. They think he's lost on some horizon. Suddenly you find yourself He's so very understanding, too aware of all your situations. Whenever you stay